What up, YouTube? Just got done sanding my second to last coat. Looking all sexy. Put one more coat. Now, like I said, this is all salvaged wood, so I've got a couple imperfections that were already on the wood. But other than that, it's turned out very nice. I'm very happy with it. And I just used some regular old joint compound. Get it from Lowe's. And then I got some sand and fill primer here. Got this from Lowe's as well. But I figure I get hopefully 2 coats out of this can after I do this next pass of mud on it. And then it should be ready to paint. I don't know what color I'm going to paint yet. I think I might just go with like a neutral color, you know, nothing too crazy. I'm going to get some stickers, well, decals. And then after I get like all the holes drilled for it and everything like that, and the amp set, I'll have the amp sitting this way. And then underneath that, I think I want to do Hyphonics, and then I was going to put some LEDs under it and kind of have it like come out. So alright, people, this is what it looks like beforehand. I'm letting my pass on the box dry, and I was going to pull some measurements off this guy so I can mount it on there, and I'm going to put some their 3/4 inch lifters to have it rised off of that, and then like I said, the LEDs under that. But yeah, so this is an ugly, massive mess. Now, for those of you people that don't know, you know, too much about car audio, this is the power. Nice, very big 0 gauge wire. Stinger Pro. This is the ground right here. Now I got to put this terminal on there. I forgot to do it when I hooked it up. This is my speaker wire. This is 4 gauge Memphis, all copper wire. It's not that shit, you know. If you look at wire, sometimes you'll see like a silver haze to it, or like aluminum haze, and that's not all copper true wire. So then here's my module. That's how I can run my factory deck. And that guy was pretty easy to install, just a couple butt connectors into the speakers. And then that will also be hid under there. I'm going to mount that underneath the actual amp rack. And then I think I'll probably just end up putting the amp rack just right here. You know, I really like where it is right now. I can still use the van for the needs I need it for, with the amp being right there. So I'll see you guys in about right now. Alright, people. This is pretty much a finished deal. Put one more light coat on it, sand it, and that's it. That primer filler worked out very well. I like it pretty good. But yeah, next video it'll be painted and installed. So I hope you guys like it. And then another thing I'm going to add too, with them spacers there, I'm going to put an LED on the bottom of the amp, and then I'll drill a hole right here to run the wires through. And then I'll probably just throw some distribution blocks up on there. That way I could tie in the power. But yeah. One more sanding. We're good.